year, from last year onwards. So now it's been a habit for us, like every year we keep things ready. So whenever they inform us like when the thing is going to happen, we come and
very important because landfills are becoming really huge mountains of waste. I have a Tweety bird here. We got a lot of shoes, clothes, and some waste, and also socks. If we throw it should be burnt plastics, and that smell can ruin our nature. If we keep it here, it will not ruin our nature.
No, they repair and give it back to the resident who is giving them, so that we are encouraging the habit rather than throwing it away immediately. Try to repair and reuse it.
Motivation that it is useful, the zero waste, the concept, all those inspires. When I see the dashboard that how much of waste has been collected in the past and it keeps increasing day by day, it's definitely an inspiration, because the message is getting circulated that people have to volunteer and do something to.
We consume a lot, at home, and we buy very impulsive buying because of all these online shopping and all that. So we don't think twice before buying anything. This is a way to remind us how much we are consuming and how much goes away without making full utilization of it.
In fact, people wait for ROKA's drive, collect items, and when they come here, they are very happy that such collection drives are happening and it is picking up in Chennai city. Many associations and volunteers are coming forward and leaving their details to conduct such drives in the future.
Basically, we collect them to a minimum quantity of a few hundreds of kilos to 2 tons of kilos, and we give them to licensed recyclers based on materials and all. E-waste and all goes to government licensed recyclers. So the clothes are, so it depends on the quality. Generally, clothes are sent to be shredded and made into either fiber or as used as stuffing for mattresses and pillows and gym bags and stuff like that. But if they are made of cotton or hemp and all, they are recyclable clothes.
I have been contributing to these ROKA drives for the past 1 or 2 years. It's not my first time, and this time I made sure that some of my friends also were able to contribute. So I come all the way from Selayu.
I brought e-waste, shoes and clothes and garments.
I think it is very important, because those who can get rid of things that they do not want, it could help the lesser privileged people,